Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive, a custom body shop or person seeking to construct an extreme motorhome with remarkable endurance and off-road performance. Converted and extensively modified the Kenworth C500 truck to produce the 2025 Kenworth C500 Motorhome. Keeps the big, sturdy C500 truck cab, which usually has a traditional nose-long hood shape. Utilizes the C500 chassis, which is intended for tough terrain and large loads. Equipped with sturdy wheels and tires with a lot of tread for multi-surface use. Elevated ground clearance to get past challenges in rough terrain. Specifically made to fit a motorhome's living area, a large, boxy rear body may have solid walls and enough insulation. Large windows to let in vistas and natural light. Secure entry door with an electric or foldable ladder. Plenty of room to store tools, outdoor equipment, and generators. Big tanks for fuel and water for lengthy journeys in isolated areas. Large roof rack for storing solar panels, a rooftop tent, extra spare tires, and other equipment. The original cabin was built with durability and usefulness in mind. A sturdy dashboard, cozy if rather simple BRV standard seats, and controls arranged for long-distance use are all to be expected. Most cars include air ride suspension seats to improve driver comfort, particularly on bumpy routes. Air conditioning, heating, a simple music system, and storage spaces that are appropriate for truck drivers are all standard equipment. The design incorporates a sleeping space over the cab. Bigger bed and a separate bedroom, potentially a king-size or queen-size bed. Sleeping arrangements with room for several persons. Cozy seats, such as couches or seated dinette booths. A table that might be detachable or adjustable. Entertainment features include an audio system and a flat-screen TV, plenty of overhead lockers and storage drawers for possessions. A fully furnished kitchenette often has a multi-burner gas or electric stove, a sink, and a faucet. There are two primary manufacturers of high-performance diesel engines available for the Kenworth C500, Kenworth's own division for engines. A Procar MX-13 engine may be fitted to the C500. This 12.9-liter inline-six diesel engine can produce 510 horsepower, 380 kilowatts, and 1,850 pounds ft, 2,508 newton-meters of torque, among other power outputs. A well-known independent producer of engines. Cummins engines, most likely from the Cummins X15 series, are also frequently seen in the C500. This 15-liter inline-six diesel engine has a maximum power output of 605 horsepower, 451 kilowatts, and 2,050 pounds ft, 2,779 newton-meters. This family also includes specific variations such as the ISX-15.